Yes, student, this is again one of the very important content, dipole moment. Student, in polar covalent molecule, we have observed there is a polarity. That means what? If molecule consists of two different elements atom, then there will be a polarity. Are you getting? And due to polarity, there is a shifting of bond pair of electron. This is the reason of polarity. Like here, HCl. Okay, and there is fraction negative charge. There is what? Fraction positive charge. This is called polar covalent molecule. Bond or molecule means now there are two different type of what? Charges, positive charges and negative charges, and there is a direction of shifting of bond pair of electron. That is, it is giving what? Direction. Now how much electron is getting shifted, that is the magnitude, will depend between the electronegativity of two combining atom. That is electronegativity differences. As greater the electronegativity differences, the more magnitude of shifting of bond. Okay. So polarity develops what? Dipole moment. Dipole moment, and dipole moment. Dipole moment is defined as it is the product of magnitude of charges, okay, magnitude of charges means you can call it Q, and the distance between positive and negative charge or charges. Okay, suppose this is called what? D. So the dipole moment, which is given by mu. So the mu is equal to what? Q multiplied by D. What is Q here? The magnitude of charges. And what is D here? The distance between the two charges. Student, there are some constant values, like here the Q is in order of 1.0 into 10 to power minus 10. Now this is Q, therefore this is given by the sign what? Coulomb, or we can call it what? ESU, and the distance between the two charges, okay, that is called what? D, is given by 10 to power minus 8. Now 10 to power minus 8 will what? Centimeter. So the mu is equal to Q multiplied by D. So it is equal to 1.0 into 10 to power minus 10 multiplied by 10 to power minus 8 is equal to become 1.0 into 10 to power minus 18. Okay, and what? ESU, what? Centimeter. Okay, this number 1.0 into 10 to power minus 18 is called 1 divide or 1D. Okay, D stands for divide. That is what? That becomes the unit. Are you getting? 10 to power minus 18 or 1.0 to 10 to power minus 18. Okay, this is called what? 1 divide. So you have to learn this value. Learn it. Okay. Now some facts. Some facts. Number one, dipole moment is a vector quantity. Is a vector quantity. Why it is a vector quantity? Because there are direction as well what magnitude as well magnitude. Therefore it is a vector quantity. Look at here, there is a direction as well as what magnitude. Number two, for a diatomic molecule that is made up of only two atoms, diatomic molecule, okay, dipole moment is equal to covalent bond magnitude. Are you getting? That is, there is no changes. But for polyatomic molecule, means what is the meaning of polyatomic molecule? Okay, made up of more than two atoms. For a polyatomic molecule, dipole moment depends on two factors. Okay, first one, the total dipole moment of molecule will be resultant of dipole moment of individual bond, that is sum of individual bond. And number two, also, okay, the position or direction of bond, that is bond arrangement. Simply what we can call bond arrangement. Are you getting? Example, HI, HBr, HCl and HF. Are you getting? In all these compound, one of the atom is common, what? H. Getting? But one of the bonding atom are different, what? Iodine, bromine, Cl atom and F atom. Now student, you know that from the third chapter down the group electronegativity decreases. Getting? That means what? The most electronegative atoms in halogen is what? F. That means there is most electronegativity differences between HF. Therefore, there is a most polar. Means HF bond is most polar. Then lesser Cl. Then little lesser what? Br, and then little lesser what? Hi. That means what? On the basis of it, we can say the dipole moment will be in the same order. The dipole moment order will be what? Here, the HF, Hi, the dipole moment is 0.38. Okay, and its unit is what? D. But student, more dipole moment will be HBr, because Br is even more electronegative as compared to I. That means what? The fraction positive charge will be greater as compared to Hi, and it is 0.79 D. Now, Cl is even more electronegative as compared to Br. Therefore, its dipole moment will be even more, 1.07 D. And in HF, this is the most polar molecule. Therefore, the polarity is also very high. Therefore, the dipole moment is also very high and can become 1.78 D. Are you getting?